Hi, welcome to Day Trade to Win. Here's a quick Euro futures trade. I'm using the Trade Scalper, which is the most simple scalping strategy that I know of, so it's perfect for beginners. The Trade Scalper gave us a signal here at 1:10275. Our profit target here is just 3 ticks. The tick size in the Euro means 0.00005. And 3 ticks is just about $20 per contract, so it's not much. But hey, we're scalping, which means at the end of the day, we sum up all the small wins, small losses, and as you understand, many small wins can really add up. You see how simple this is? We just follow the signal, go short here at 1:10275 and take profit at 1:10260 a few minutes later. We can do this all day long, $20 in a few minutes. And we had some other nice trades here as well. Many have asked about scalping the Euro, so that's all I wanted to show you today. Until next time, good trading.